In today's video, I am showing you an unconventional bead spinner made with Legos. A bead spinner is a tool that enables you to string beads onto a spool of wire very fast. Last year, my son, who was 9 years old at the time, designed this Lego bead spinner for me. I am using it when I bead on the go, because I can't easily store a regular bead spinner in my small travel snap container. The spinner is two parts with a base and a bowl like a conventional bead spinner. The crucial part that makes this spinner work is the 2x2 spinny piece. When you use it alone on a flat surface, it will slide. Put it on a small Lego plate and it will slide less. Put the Lego plate on a tray with an edge and you will have a better time spinning. I don't know the lingo with Legos, so I will put the specs here as best as I can if you like to make this. The bowl is 8x8 in width. Two walls are made with two sides with 1x8s and two walls with 1x6 pieces. The height of the bowl is 1.5 inches. The bottom of the bowl is 6x6 using 6 1x6 flat top pieces. The bottom is also 1.5 inches in height and 8x8. You can use any pieces to build it. The crucial part is having the spinny piece in the middle and some flat pieces surrounding the outer walls. The Lego bead spinner is not as effective as a regular bead spinner, but it definitely works well enough. Will you be making this Lego bead spinner or know a Lego fanatic that can help you make one? Let me know in the comments below.